Hi. So when did we like just decide to drop the entire plan?
Yeah.
This isn't going to be a regular video. I think this is going to be a kind of a one-off. You see, maybe I should have shaved. You see, there's been someone that's been supporting me throughout this entire way through on this journey, and I just never had a chance to give her the appreciation that she deserves. Okay, maybe I should have also done my hair for this video. You see, it takes someone special. I always go on these crazy wild adventures and she has to go to work, so... Is that better? Maybe that looks exactly the same, who knows. She supported me throughout thick and thin when I'm penniless, when I am doing massive big projects with other companies around the world, or I'm on some other travel adventure. She's always been there to support me by my side. Now, you may have seen this wall that I've made kind of to help me remember all the different adventures I've gone on throughout my YouTube career, but I have a special wall which I never actually show on camera. This is my girlfriend Venus. Chances are you're probably never going to see her in this vlog. Kind of was discussing things. She wanted to be the secret girlfriend, the one that's always behind the camera, never in front. You might have seen her in my Instagram stories. You might have seen her like in little tidbits here on, but I just wanted to let you guys know. She's my best friend and she's my #1 supporter, and I could have not done any of this without her. So, happy Valentine's Day.
She hasn't seen episode 4, 5, and 6, but she's seen Rogue One and she's seen episode 7. And now she's asking me who Luke Skywalker is.
Here's a Skywalker.
The original plan was I was going to make a Christmas video this year. Look, there's snowman here.
Let's get warm.
Hi.
Yay!
She's the one who has nothing to do. For the entire movie, she's just dancing. And then the other... Now, this is basically what happened. The main event is always happening here, and then there's someone that's dancing.
See, if I was smarter, I would have filmed this before Valentine's Day instead of the day of. I'm a very stupid person. Thank you for following in love with the silly me.